In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the calendar and meeting features in the new Outlook interface. To use these features, first navigate to your Outlook desktop application and left-click on the icon. This is the new Outlook interface. As you can see, this top ribbon here has been simplified compared to the broader ribbon in the old Outlook. On the right side, there is a little arrow. Simply left-click on it and you have the option to switch to the old classic ribbon. However, we are going to keep it simplified for this demonstration. To use the calendar feature in Outlook, simply left-click the calendar icon in the left navigation bar. This will take you to the calendar page. Here, you have your main calendar in the middle of the page. You can change the view to weeks, months, or work weeks. You can also do a split view where you can see your work week on one side and other calendars on the other side, which is a very useful feature. On the left side of the calendar page, you have a tiny calendar that you can scroll up and down to view 2 months at the same time. For example, I am seeing May and June of 2024 simultaneously. With the current date highlighted, you can scroll up and down using the arrows. Below that, you have your calendars for family, friends, birthdays, holidays, etc. You can create custom calendars that will be stored here. To create a custom calendar, left-click the Add Calendar option in the left navigation bar, then select Create Blank Calendar. This will take you to the Create Blank Calendar page. Enter the name of the calendar, for example. Example. You can also choose a color and add an icon, such as a balloon. To save and create the calendar, left-click the Save icon at the bottom. In the My Calendar section, you will see the example calendar we just created, indicated with the chosen color. Left-click on this calendar, and it will show that there are no plans for the day, meaning Outlook is checking all your calendars for plans. To use the meeting feature, first create an event by left-clicking the blue Create Event button. This brings up the new event pop-up. Add the title for the event, for example, Example. You can invite people by adding their names. Set the date and time, or make it an all-day event by checking the appropriate box. Add a description such as just an example description. You can also add emojis and highlight text. To finalize the event, left-click the Send option to send the event to the invites. That's pretty much it for the basic use of the calendar and meeting features in the new Outlook interface.